actually one of the biggest constraints is the actual part or the assembled part. What do the discrete components look like? How do you singulate them? How do you move them? How do you get them into the assembly process for picking and placing? Some of that takes up the largest amount of real estate and can dictate how you're going to transport things. The number of parts you want to do in the assembled machine. Are you doing 1 up, 2 up, 10 up, 48 up? That will also dictate how you bring the product and present the product. How are you going to handle it from station to station? Are you going to do a walking beam? Are you going to do a power and free conveyor? So it depends on how you handle it and what your speed is. And I think everybody talked on the parts per minute is kind of one of the larger criterias. What is your footprint? What does the footprint look like overall? Do you have to constrain how you're going to do it? Do you have to wrap the machine around itself? What is the head count? Are you expecting one person to run this? And do you design the system with conveyors or other methods to be able to accommodate the number of people? Assembly specifics. Are you doing multiple machines? Is it an integrated production line? Is it a single machine? Are you going to be able to use a transfer rail between 2 machines? So several different aspects kind of come into play here.